Breaking news! Nearly 70 million Americans currently rely on Social Security, while millions more pay into the system for their future. For more than 80 years, the program has provided financial support to retirees, people with disabilities, and families who lose a working parent. In 2024 alone, Social Security lifted almost 29 million people out of poverty. The system is built on a simple promise. Americans pay in during their working years, and when they retire, they receive financial support to live with dignity. But Social Security is more than just a retirement program. It also protects families. If a worker becomes disabled or dies, Social Security helps their children and loved ones cover basic expenses like rent, food, and medical care during difficult times. Now, that system is under pressure. Under the Trump administration, staffing at the Social Security Administration was reduced and services were cut. As a result, many Americans now face long delays. Phone wait times can last for hours. In-person appointments often take months. And when people can't get help, some seniors and families go weeks or even months without their Social Security checks. For many Americans, that delay can mean choosing between groceries, rent, or medicine. Social Security workers are also feeling the impact. Union employees report being overwhelmed with heavy workloads and new responsibilities they were never trained for. Despite this, officials previously considered even more changes. Trump's Social Security chief, Frank Bisignano, floated the idea of raising the retirement age. Critics say that would reduce benefits for future retirees. There was also a proposal to make it harder for disabled Americans to qualify for benefits, but that plan was later withdrawn after public pushback. Some lawmakers now warn these disruptions could be part of a broader effort to weaken Social Security and move it toward privatization. Meanwhile, benefits are falling behind the real cost of living. Over the past 15 years, Social Security payments have lost about 20% of their buying power. For 2026, the cost of living increase is expected to be just 2.8%. That equals about $56 more per month. For many seniors, that isn't enough to cover even a week of groceries. Half of all American seniors depend on Social Security for at least half of their income. And for 1 in 4 people, it is their only source of money. Lawmakers are now pushing for changes. One proposal would increase benefits by $200 per month for seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities. The plan would be paid for by requiring millionaires and billionaires to contribute more. Right now, a CEO earning $20 million a year pays roughly the same amount into Social Security as someone making $176,000. Supporters say that system is unfair and needs reform. For millions of Americans, Social Security remains a lifeline. And as economic pressure grows, the future of the program has never been more important.